Does that look fun? Well, it not only looks fun, it is fun. This upcoming series is about how to make your Commodore 64 into a fully fledged Amiga computer. In this series, I will show you how to set up your Turbo Chameleon to run OS 3.1 or otherwise, and to install WHDLoad with a bunch of games. If you have not seen the original teaser version of this, you will see a card on the screen right about now. In this series, I'll be demonstrating on a version 1. The process for the version 2 is the same. You just need to know which version you have. You will see a card on the screen about now for the original video comparing version 1 and version 2. But basically, if you have a breakout cable, such as here, this is a version 1. If you don't have a breakout cable and yours looks like this, you have a version 2. At the end of this series, you will be able to put an SD card inside your Turbo Chameleon plugged into a Commodore 64, turn it on, and it will immediately boot to Amiga OS, to a Workbench desktop where you can launch any of your WHDLoad games. For at least part of this series, I will be demonstrating setting up with the Turbo Chameleon in standalone mode. The only reason I am doing that is as a visual aid. It'll be easier to see what I'm doing with the Chameleon itself. The same process could be done in cart mode plugged into the Commodore 64. Just with the limitations of my production capability here, part of this is going to be in standalone. Part 1 of the series will be dropping shortly, so if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll know right away when part 1 is dropped. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in this upcoming series.